I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of this product. And this is the NuDerma Natural Dermal Cell Energy Amplification System. And I actually, the first time I had treatment using this device, it was like, I don't know, like over 10 years ago. They usually use this after facial. This helps to like get rid of the bacteria and helps with the inflammation, and also helps to regenerate the skin. So I decided to just get it for myself. A lot of people recommend this treatment to just use it once a day on spots, and we'll see if it actually works, because that's gonna be the first time I'm gonna use it without doing a facial. I'm gonna start using it today, and I'm gonna use it once a day, just on spots, just to see if it's gonna work. This wasn't super expensive. It was around $60. I bought it on Amazon. It was recommended by a few people actually. So this is how the device looks like, and here are different attachments. It comes with a comb brush. I believe this is called mushroom brush, tongue brush, and band tube. I also have a few discolorations, and it says that it should help with those as well as with age spots and other skin imperfections. So I'm excited to test it out, not only on my acne, on my pimples, but also on some dark spots. And yeah, we'll see. I know that some people use it also on hair with the comb brush. My mom actually, I bought this device for her a few years ago, and then she was using it for her hair. So yeah, it helps with hair loss and sagging skin. So I didn't actually need to use it only on spots. I can actually use it all over my face. I may try it. You know, it's funny, I remember like it was pretty interesting experience to have, you know, a treatment done with this device. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out, and I'm gonna show you the results I get with this. It does say that it's gonna take a few weeks of use to see results, so I'm gonna be consistent, and I'm gonna record videos probably every few days and give you updates. Prepare to follow on my channel. I probably will record a few videos on this. If you want to see how I use this device, keep on watching. Okay, so last night I did the first treatment with the high frequency device, and I honestly didn't know what to expect. They said that you should wait a few weeks to see the results, but I'm pleasantly surprised. I used the device all over the inflamed area, the pimples here, and don't judge me, but I tried to pick this pimple here last night and I couldn't get it, so I knew that I'm gonna have like a full-grown pimple right here in the morning, and guess what? It's not there, and it's like healing already. And honestly, I even asked my husband like what he thinks how my skin looks compared to yesterday, and he said that it does look better, even though he's not a fan of this device. He's like, are you sure this is safe? But he said that my skin looks better, and honestly, it definitely does. Like, All this area, especially here, it was super inflamed, and I like had that inflammation for, I would say, like maybe like even 2 weeks. And today I feel like it's starting to heal. Like, it's definitely not as inflamed. My skin is also not as red in this area. And yeah, I didn't get any new pimples, which is great. And I feel like it looks better. Like, it's definitely like more dry, like it's drying out those pimples. So honestly, like, I mean, I'm gonna test it out tonight too. Like, I'm planning to use it for a few weeks to see, but I'm gonna be recording results. And I was using it for the first time yesterday, and it's not bad. So we'll see. I'm gonna be recording updates for you guys every week, I hope, at least every 2 weeks. I mean, it says that it's gonna take several weeks to see like full result, but you know, I've been doing my research online, and the results I've been seeing, they are spectacular. So if I can see that too, fingers crossed, I would be amazed, honestly. Also, it's super quick. Like, it took me less than a minute to do my whole face. So it's you know, at the beginning I thought it would be like somehow inconvenient, but it's pretty quick. I'm gonna record another update in a week or two, so make sure to subscribe. Fingers crossed it's gonna work and it's gonna help me heal those pimples and that inflammation here. We'll see. Okay, so it's been over a week since I started using the high frequency device, and I've been using it every single day in the evening because it's just so easy, so quick, and just so convenient. So I really don't have any excuses not to use it. And I gotta say, since I started using it since the day one, I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. I had patches of inflammation on my skin in previous clips I showed you, but right now I have BB cream on, so maybe you can't really see that much, but I mostly wanted to talk about it because I show you clips without makeup on in between, but those patches of inflammation are pretty much gone, and I still get occasional pimples here and there. I think there is one somewhere here. I got rid of it. I put zit patch on it, so it's gone. Honestly, you know what was like the most frustrating for me of inflamed skin in few areas, because it was very painful. There were like under skin pimples that, you know, you couldn't really pick, you couldn't really do anything. Just whenever I would touch it, it would hurt so much. So it was very painful. Not only, you know, it didn't look good, but it was very painful. And that's gone. That's gone. In a few days, it just cleared up beautifully, and I'm just so impressed. So part of getting rid of inflammation, I also have noticed that any scars, any blemishes, any discoloration is definitely healing a lot faster. Those areas of my skin are more dry, and I can see that the dead skin is peeling off a lot faster than before I started using the device. So I think it's also working for that, because I stopped using retinol and any acids, because honestly I don't have a need to use them. Whenever I use this device, it basically does the same job, just on more intense level, because I can see like results next morning. So that's great. So I stopped using those products. I only use vitamin C now by Instant Natural, which is great. Marula Oil, because I can definitely tell that my skin is a lot more dry than before. I had very oily skin, so I never had issues with dry skin. I wouldn't say that I have issues with dry skin now, but I feel like my skin doesn't produce that much oil, which is a good thing because that means less oil, less bacteria, less pimples. So it's good. But definitely I started using Marula Oil and more moisturizing products like BB cream. I still use SPF whenever I don't use BB cream or foundation. I always use SPF. That's, you know, even on a cloudy day, even when I don't plan to go out, I always wear sunscreen. Because I used to make the mistake that I would be like, oh, it's cloudy, I'm not gonna wear SPF. But no, I'm trying to be careful because I can definitely tell that just my skin looks better. I have less discoloration now since I started using, you know, sunscreen like religiously. So it's good, and I found finally like amazing SPF product that is not greasy and doesn't leave any like white residue. So it's by Purita, by the way. It's my favorite SPF, that's why I use it all the time. But yeah, I'm very happy with my skin right now. Like I said, it's been over a week and I'm planning to prepare more follow-up videos if you guys, of course, will be interested. But for now, I'm very happy. I didn't notice any side effects, only positive effects on my skin. And yeah, I'm happy that I don't need to use as many products anymore because, like I said, I use only vitamin C, Marula Oil, niacinamide serum, and BB cream plus SPF. And of course, I don't put all of these products at once on my face. It depends, you know, if I apply it in the morning or in the evening, and it also depends on my skin needs. You know, if I see that my skin is more on the dry side, then I use usually niacinamide serum with zinc, and after that I apply Marula Oil. That's usually at night, and in the morning I like to apply vitamin C serum plus SPF or BB cream. So very simple, very minimalistic skincare routine, but my skin is happy, so I'm happy. Yeah, let me know if you wanna see more of these videos, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.